What is up, guys? Carter. Today we have a very special video. We're gonna be doing a social experiment. Yay! So basically, I've seen these a lot on YouTube. Right here, you see I clearly have my noob account. But if you look over here, we have my main account, which, if you look at it, has CHROMA. So today, what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be trading this account for a CHROMA video. I mean a CHROMA item. Oh, what is going on here? Okay, that was weird. Anyways, today I'm gonna be doing a social experiment in the trading servers. I'm gonna be seeing how trustful my basically like my fans are. So I'm gonna be letting them use my CHROMA Tides, and I'm gonna throw in like some other stuff in there, just like not make it look suspicious. So yeah. This is my alt account. I'm going to be giving myself the CHROMA Tides. So accept. Woo! Free CHROMA. Let's go. Okay, so we just got CHROMA Tides, this, and that. I'm going to give him. Let's see what else I can give myself, so I do not look like noob. I should give myself like another godly. I'll give myself Frostbite. And Snowflake. This and then like some commons or something. So yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so I'll just give myself these. Ooh, nice. Okay, so I have these. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the game. Boop. I'm no longer there, and we're gonna be doing the social experiment. So let me go on ahead and equip my new dope items. So got the CHROMA right there. Very nice CHROMA. So basically, we are going to be seeing if people will scam me. Whoa! I just got good item. Basic thing. Oh, looks like we got someone lagging, like really bad right here. I feel like I should do the trading servers. I'd have like a better bet on that. So let me go on ahead and leave and head to a trading server. I kind of want to, but I don't want to because I feel like I'd be disappointed by if like I see some of my fans if they're honest or not. But this will determine if they are honest or not. So yeah, let's get right into it. Of course, the servers are full. I think I'm just gonna have to wait. Yeah. Ugh, all the servers are full. No, that sucks. Oh no, I have to wait. Okay. Alrighty. Okie dokie. Artichoke. 115 people online, of course. Okay. Alright. Strike trading server 3. Of course, all the servers are full, which sucks. I'm gonna pause, and whenever I join, I'll start up. Okay, guys, so we're in. Oh, don't worry. You guys can keep talking. The video can't hear y'all. I mean, I just use screen recorder, and I'm okay with that right now. Whoa, nice game. Dude, I'm the murderer. What is this is so lucky. I'm, ooh, if I'm a noob, should I play like a noob or should I play like I shouldn't play like a pro. I'm using the CHROMA Tides. So right now we have the CHROMA Tides. I'm gonna wreck some noobs. Bruh. Okay. I'm gonna look like a noob with the knife. So like I have to look like an idiot. Oh man, I lost. Ooh, okay, so I got an inbound trade. Let's see what they want to offer. Hi. Ooh, cool. Nice items. Yeah, I find that strange too. Um, yeah, I know. Is this worth my item? I'm asking. Dude, he's accepted. Is this a good trade? Hey, hey guys. Someone want to trade me? We all know you're a YouTuber. What? Dude, they know I'm a YouTuber. That sucks. Do you hear me? Ooh, ooh, ew, sear, yuck. I I heard sear bad. Dude, they know I'm a YouTuber. It sucks. Well, someone said I know you're a YouTuber. Yee, it's bad. Oh my god, this guy's a scammer. Really? He's like, yeah, your chroma is really bad. The other one, the frost one. Is that one bad too? So this guy wants to trade for my chroma. Let's see. Dude, there's chroma gemstones are so common. Whoa.
Ya estabas a jugar todo tu tiempo.
Dude, my God, there's so many scammers here. Dude, fair, you'd be. This is so sad. Oh, that sucks. You should screenshot it and record it and see if he says it's photoshopped. No? Dude, so many people want to trade me. Trading minty chroma serum and blood. If I was on here with my other account, I would see. Okay, so this person's back to trading me again. They're gonna offer me the same thing. Whoa, chroma gem. I saw that. Is that better than my item? Is this better than my CHROMA TIDES? It's Keith Francis. Will Keith Francis? Nope. Okay, so they're saying me no. Oh. I want a good deal then. I highly doubt that. Oh, okay. Yeah, but if you want, I can make a video with you right now. I'm almost done with it anyways. Oh, I don't know. You said you wanted me to record your video. I can record your video too, where like we pretend to 1v1 for views on your channel, and I can just let you record that. Fine. Okay, I'm back. Hey, Key. Hey, Key. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there are a lot of scammers out there. And yeah, people will scam a noob for his godly. So be careful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys later.